Welcome everybody to our annual Lighthouse event, the Digital Retail Innovation Summit. What can we expect throughout the day? We will talk about terms everybody knows, like omnichannel, seamless commerce, true data-driven enterprise, cloud transformation, and many more.
We initiated that. I actually started the series on Retail Innovation Exchange 5 years back.
Thank you very much for inviting me to this fantastic event. So today I would like to share a little bit of the journey of where we are with the digital transformation in IKEA. We have always put the customers in the heart of everything we do, and we continue to drive that, and that has been the focal point of the entire drive of this transformation within Inca and the IKEA group. So everything we do, and when we talk about, whether we're talking about product development, data, technology, we flow through that information into our organisation to make sure we are consistently customer focused. The dynamic and what we need to be has now fundamentally changed, and we have to embrace it, and we are embracing it.
I guess the best summary is that IKEA changed itself from a traditional retailer to what I would call a personal trusted advisor for living at home. Would you agree to that?
Perfect summary.
So my name is Eric Devanter. I'm the CTO of Migros Online, and here I'm to talk about how the COVID-19 changed more or less the retail and the e-grocery in Switzerland and how it impacted us. What is the most amazing thing is at the middle of COVID, we were in the middle of a full reorganization. What helped us to more or less to cope with that situation? First, we were already quite an agile company, I would say, and people had all the setups, everything that they needed to work remotely. And also we have a very agile governance where we are able every 2 weeks to shift the whole organization roadmap and resources to new things if needed.
Sometimes you need a crisis to figure out what an organization is really capable of. Hello Markus, great to have you.
Hello together. My name is Markus Lenzlinger, CEO for Migolino. We are convenience. Convenience is something between the brick and mortar business as well as the online. Under the name of Migolino, we have a franchise system which has already 340 stores, something like that. We just started 1 month ago with a new brand called Goods. The customers have a new needs, new habits.
Kuehne+Nagel Integrated Logistics, we created our digital transformation plan and invested into becoming the orchestration partner of choice for our clients. Supply chain companies have to really not just be transport companies anymore. They really have to expand into the value chain, and that's what in Kuehne+Nagel we have invested very heavily in doing over the last number of years.
Yeah, and you're doing very well on that, and we are, as said, very happy to be part of it. So thanks for sharing.
Yeah, I mean, Capgemini, a long-time digital development partner with Kuehne+Nagel, right? And also for integrated logistics. And it's been a really great collaboration. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to Corner Shop. It's our concept store in London in Shoreditch, as Achim says, where we're really exploring shopping of tomorrow. We're looking at how different categories in the future come together in different spaces. In our case, a kind of blend of grocery, coffee, fashion in a convenience store format. How we're leveraging the supercomputers we all have in our pocket with the sort of digital infrastructure we can equip a store with, and how that transforms it all.
So Frog is by origin actually a renowned brand in the design space to really revolutionize the time of really more functional oriented design and products to a very emotional design and build human experiences that win hearts and move markets. How to really transform an organization also from a technology point of view when it comes to customer centricity.
So these are examples of how we use our capabilities around analytics, technology, data to answer the core challenges of our retail clients.
Special thanks go to our client speakers. You shared really great and deep insights with us, and that was the cherry on the cake, I would say, is the insight in regarding how your organizations approach innovation, how they manage it.
Over to you, Martin. What do you take home?
One thing stood out, so to say, is that mastering technology is always a good thing, and Capgemini is a technology by heart company. but the right people, right partner is even more key.